G'day DIYers. I tiled this yesterday. So it's it's 8 o'clock in the morning and it's Friday and it's gonna be an absolute scorcher. It's they're predicting 36 degrees and the humidity's about 95 at about 12 o'clock. So it's going to be a bit of an early one. I'll do that niche. I'll go around my top. I'll finish this wall. By then it'll be 1:30, I suppose, and I might just knock off for the weekend, and then I come back, clean up, grouter up, silicone, and we're laughing. It'll be another bathroom. The painter will come in after I've finished, do the ceiling. The chippy's booked in to put in the vanity, mirror, towel rails once I've finished. The screen will be going in and the owner will be showering again. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.